Children, today I will tell you about LRC activity book review. A book review is a form of literary description or criticism in which a book is merely described or analyzed based on content, style and merit. So, there is few points which I will want to discuss with you. Start with a summary of the story but keep it short. Before start, you have to mention the name of the book, author's name and others like illustrator, the year of publication, pages, etc. Consider your book as a work of fiction. Does it work as a novel or short story? Compare the book to other books or short stories which you read. Don't be feared to express personal opinions. Your reaction will make your review more alive. But if you do criticize the book, do find something positive to say too. Mention the translator, illustrator and other persons who are involved in the book. See, the book review gives a brief retelling of the story and may include detail about the plot, characters and settings. Book review is the depth analysis of the text. The summary only serves as context for a book review. Now, few important points that should be in your book review is, first point, start by assessing the book. Before you begin writing, take some time to assess the book. If you made notes while reading, look them over. Like, what genre is the book? Is it fiction or non-fiction? What do you know about the author? What are some of the main theme in the book? Does the author convey them well? How do the characters and events in the book relate to the theme? Is there a primary conflict in the book? What was the author trying to accomplish? What do you feel about the book? Now, point number 2, create a thesis statement. It is for long book review. You should tell a book review about only few minutes that is mentioned in your LRC invitation. So, make it simple. Third point, write an introduction. You can start with a short quote or any quoted about the book or any other type of caption which enhance the attention of the listener. Fourth point, give a short summary of the book. Fifth point, provide your analysis. Now it's time for the main part of your book. Book review backing up your opinion. Your thesis statement is your own view, but you will need to share why you think of what you do. So this is the provide your analysis part is the most important part of book review. You can discuss following points in the analysis, cover the author's style of writing and look at his or her clarity, flow of the text, etc. Think about how you were affected by the book and if any of your opinion or feeling change because of it. Yeah, it is very important. Decide if the book met its goal or whether you would recommend it to others. Discuss the author's descriptions and narrations. Analyze whether the book suited its intended audience and if it was interesting. And now, sixth number point, end with a strong conclusion. Just like an essay, a book review needs a strong conclusion. Restate your thesis statement and summarized by touching on the main points. You may include quotes or references here, but do not put in any new material. So first you write properly a book review, then learn it, because you have to tell the book review without seeing. If you see the book review, you will disqualify it. So you don't read the book review, you will tell the book review, will narrate the book review. So first write the properly and then learn it. Now we have fiction book review activity, because all the writers are there. So I will tell you about the fiction book review. When reviewing fiction, analyze the author's treatment of the characters, plot, setting, and dialogues. Specifically, ask yourself these questions before writing a book review. How interesting is the plot? How believable are the characters? How does this book compare to other books? How well does the author create mood through the setting? If there is any humor or any sadness like that, is the narration consistent throughout? What style of writing did the author use? Children, hope these points will be useful for you for the book review activity. It is important to your participation. Participate in the book review. It will improve your vocabulary, writing skills, oral speaking in English skills also. So it's time to write something and do something in this situation where you are in home and you have plenty of time. Enjoy the book review and participate in great numbers.